In Stocking Up today, Dave Bartosiak of Zacks.com is here to take a look at a couple of stocks, and always thankful to have you on the show because you have such a great take on stocks. I want to start with Bank of America. This stock has just been exploding. Traders have been in and out of this thing. They love to trade it, and investors are so happy with Bank.
Yeah, part of this whole Trump rotation has been the financials have been killing it, especially the big banks here. I guess part of that is due to some of these rumors that Jamie Dimon's going to be the Treasury Secretary, right? So you get a little bit of love there. But it's all about the net interest margin here, and it's about rates going up on the further out on the curve. So as a result, we've seen a ton of these bank stocks rally, but for me, I just feel like the rally is getting a little bit long in the tooth with Bank of America all the way up at $20 per share right now. Now it's butted up around this level for the last few days, 20 and change. I know it's peeled back a little bit, and I just feel like over the course of the next few weeks that we're gonna reel in some of our enthusiasm here. So I'm not exactly, it's not like I'm bearish long term on Bank of America.
You're hitting pause.
I'm hitting, let's just hit pause a little bit.
You're pausing up for a little bit.
And I just want to, I think if you get a little bit too optimistic, that's an opportunity for me to make a couple bucks. So I want to take in a little bit of that optimism and sell some of these calls out of the money on Bank of America.
So when you sell calls, you're basically putting a ceiling on the stock for now, just in the near term, around $20, correct?
Sure, yeah, around 20 bucks. And if it does rally and it goes up there, then worst case scenario, if I buy a call a little bit further out, I can protect myself, because I don't want to just go out there and be out there on an island somewhere, and if this thing keeps running away from me. So I definitely want to protect it, be short a call spread with Bank of America.
And then for a longer term investment, what do you think about Bank?
I think it's going to be great because as the Fed goes ahead and starts to raise rates, that's definitely going to help their net interest margin, because they're going to be making a few extra bucks on one end, but they're definitely not going to be giving us a ton of money in our checking and savings accounts anytime soon. So that's where they're going to benefit, and I think it's going to help shore up the banks as rates start to creep up higher.
I know Lululemon is one of your favorite stock plays, and you wear the clothes.
It is, but not the clothes that you think. They do have men's clothes, okay? So just want everybody out there to know
not
that.
the yoga pants, is that what you're saying?
Not the yoga pants,
okay.
Not in public. But they do have a whole men's.
The visual on this is just
men's brand. Well,
yeah.
I mean, hey, you got to do yoga somehow. So they have shorts, they have polos, they have button-down shirts. They've got all sorts of fantastic gear, which I didn't know about until doing a video on Lululemon, and then they reached out to me and told me all about it, and were nice enough to send me some shorts. So thanks, Lulu.
Full disclosure.
Full disclosure, yeah, they did. They bribed me with some shorts, but that's okay. They were great shorts. Anyway, but what I'm looking at is this is a stock that was $80 a share in August, September, and then came tumbling down $54, $56. Now, as part of this rotation that we've seen in the market, where the financials have gotten a lot stronger, healthcare has gotten a lot stronger, industrials have gotten a lot stronger, consumer discretionary has gotten beat up, and with that, the retailers haven't done all that fantastic. But we know there's a lot more to that narrative, the death of the American mall and things like that. So again, this is one of those stories where I think this is a little bit overdone. They're going to report earnings on December 1st, and I know Q4 they're going to have some lower comps, so the bar is going to be lower. It's not going to be too tough for a Lulu moving forward, so I'm a little bit bullish on them, but not super bullish. I'm not going to put on a long call spread here, but I think I could do a short put spread if I sell the 52.50 put spread. I can make a few bucks and not need them to rally through to the upside too much.
So what would be the target on the upside then?
So really, as long as it stays above 52.50 on that trade, I would make some money. With the stock trading 54.55 right now, I'm basically saying please don't sell off as a result of these earnings, and I'll be able to make a decent profit on that.
Have a good trading day, and thank you.